thanks for stopping by my channel today. It's your girl Slay LT, and as promised, this is the second video to my hauls that I did. So as you can see, you guys are in my glam room. It's a little distorted right now, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go through these right quick to show you guys, and I'm gonna start giving you guys videos of my weight loss journey. So let's just get right into this. Excuse me, I just got up, got dressed, there was some clothes, and I decided to start this video for you guys. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull everything out the bags. I'll show you the bags, where I got the items from, and also I'm gonna just kind of lay it over my body so you can kind of get an idea of what it is. But I'm gonna start with, I don't think I showed you guys the Nasty Gal, but so from Nasty Gal, probably did, it came in this bag. So I'm just gonna take everything out the bag today. In the next video I'll come back and I'll tell you guys how the fit was. And like I said in the first video, a lot of these outfits that I bought, they're goal outfits. I know that sounds crazy, but I plan on losing a lot of weight. I've already lost 12 pounds so far, so I'm feeling pretty good about it. I'm pretty optimistic. So the first thing I got was these shoes from Nasty Gal. These shoes were on sale. These were $18. And as you can see, these are the glass slippers. I always wanted a pair of these. I thought they were really cute. I actually tried these on, and these actually fit pretty good. Now, one thing I was confused about, and I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna get into this in the next video as well, was the size. It's European sizes. It said that it was a 6, but I'm actually a 8, 8.5. But it's 39, which was, I believe that equates to a size 8. So I was kind of confused as to why it shows 6 on it. At first I thought maybe it was my vision, but it actually says 6 on the box. But as you can see, glass slipper. These are so cute, and I plan on rocking these a lot this spring and summer. So I'm going to go ahead and just set this aside. This right here. I'm going to give you guys a tour of my my glam room too, but in the next video, hopefully, gotta spruce it up just a little bit. And I saw this print shirt that I absolutely had to have. And this is gonna be several parts to this video as well. So what I'll do is I'll split it for each haul that I did, so that way we can keep it under a certain amount of time. And this is the Prince shirt. Now I can actually wear this right now. I bought it big, so that way I can wear like some tights under it, possibly with those glass slippers, or any type of heel with it will be cool. So I thought this was really cute, and I love Prince. I miss Prince. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video off here. And if you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this short video. The next haul that I have coming up is a bigger haul, so let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your girl Slay LT. Bye.